Driving down these midnight lanes, city lights play shadow games, heartbeats sink to quiet pain, swift and steady, no one blames. Voices echo in my mind, broken dreams I leave behind, fast and loose the ties I bind, running hard against the grind, heartstrings strung to something real, highways hum my wounds to heal, life's a ride, I grip the wheel, feel the rhythm, feel the thrill. Skyline whispers tales untold, every story makes me bold, chasing glories that unfold, turning fleeting into gold. Nights a